Good morning traders, it's me Ali and I warmly welcome all of you in another forecast video of Euro US dollar and the precious metal gold. Guys, today the market is likely to exhibit some serious price action on the back of GDP figures which are coming out from the UK economy. Alongside, the focus will be on the German final CPI figures. While later today we also have industrial production and German ZEW economic sentiment alongside the ZEW economic sentiment from the European Union. Guys, these economic events typically drive some price action in the European currency pair as well as the UK currency pair. However, later today during the US session, the market is going to show some movement on the back of US inflation figures like the CPI, and the core CPI figure is expected to come out during the US session today. With that being said, let's take a look at the Euro USD and especially the 1 hourly time frame. Guys, as we can see, the market had violated the downward trend line and it was supposed to target 1.137 one level, and the market has exactly traded in line with our forecast, and it has formed the double top level here, as you can see here, one top and second top. After forming a double top pattern which is working as a resistance for now, the market was also entering in the overbought zone, and which is why we have seen a selling bias in the market. And if you form a Fibonacci retracement here, you can see the market is heading towards completing 50% retracement, and it is very likely to drop slightly further on the lower side, and the next support level is pretty much likely to be found around. Let's move on and let's take a look at here. Okay, the next resistance is pretty much likely to be found around 1.1329 level. Guys, the closing of candles above this level is going to drive a bullish retracement in the market, bullish correction in the market, or the bullish continuation of a bullish trend in the market. Therefore, we have to keep an eye on 1.1320 level, and above this we can look for a buy position with the target of 1.1370 level, while on the higher side we can expect a further continuation of our upward trend until 1.1402 level. So guys, taking a look at the precious metal gold. The precious metal gold has violated the symmetric triangle pattern. As you can see here, the market was forming a highest high and the highest low, and then again market tested the highest high, fell down, and again tested the high, fell down, and it has already violated the symmetric triangle pattern. As you can see here, the market has closed the bearish engulfing candle, which is like closing out of the symmetric triangle pattern, or you can say that the upward trend line has already been violated. There had been a bearish crossover on the MACD, there had been a bearish crossover on the RSI, there had been a bearish crossover on the 50 pairs exponential moving average. There is a bearish engulfing candle. There is a breakout of symmetric triangle pattern, so the selling bias seems pretty solid in the precious metal gold. However, considering the fact that we are seeing the dojis here, the doji patterns are being formed here, so we can expect a slight retracement of until 1808 level, and below this we can again expect a sell-off in the market. So right now the immediate resistance level is going to be found around like somewhere around 1803 level, and below this we can look for a sell trade with the target of 1794, whereas the violation of 1794, which is going to be worked as a double bottom level, the next support is going to be found around 1786 level. Guys, later today, as we discussed, the US inflation figures are going to drive some major movement in the market. Therefore, we can expect some price action in the precious metal gold during the US session. So yeah, just keep an eye on it. I believe, guys, that's all for now, and I hope you enjoyed this session. If you did, do click on the like button, do share your feedback in the chat box, in the comment box below, and share this video with your friends as well. Thank you so much, guys, for being here, and have a very nice and very profitable session ahead. See you guys soon tomorrow.